In this video, I'll show you how we use Intapp Time to record our time. At Pinnacle, we use the software that our clients use, and this is another example of that. We also use Elite 3E as our time and billing system, and while I could enter my time directly into Elite, it would require that I first connect to our VPN, then launch Internet Explorer, then browse to the 3E application, then browse to the time entry screens, and proceed from there. As a primarily remote employee, Time8 makes it significantly faster and easier to get the job done. So let me show you how that works. In the Intapp Time desktop application, I start by clicking the New button, and what that will do is bring up the time entry window. And I start by entering the hours that I want to record, and then this is where it gets interesting, because if I know the full client number, I can just type that in, and it will quickly select it for me. If I know a portion of the client number, it will bring up a selection list, so I can choose the client that I want to record time against. And you'll see the same behavior if I use a portion of the client name. It will bring up a list of matching clients so that I can quickly select the one that I want to use. The matter field operates very much the same way. If I know the full matter number, I can type that in and it will select it. I can type in a portion of the matter name and it will select it. And I can also bring up the selection list that will show me all of the matters for this client, organized by those matters where I've recently used to record time against, and then below that, a list of all the matters for this client. Again, the idea being that it makes it really easy to choose the one that I want to record this time entry against. If the matter has phase, task, and activity codes or other fields configured for it, those will appear beneath the client and matter information as you see here. And then the last bit is to enter the narrative. And then as quickly as that, we've got time entered for that client and matter. We've deployed Time8 in the cloud, which means that we've integrated our Elite 3 data, our clients, our matters, our timekeepers, and related information from our 3E environment on-premise to Intapp's cloud platform. And that allows us to use the desktop application as I've shown in this demo, as well as the mobile phone applications, which will give you a very similar experience.